Good evening, teacher. We are Group Help Me Baby. Today we will present our study on eating behavior and attitude today food.
My name is Kalaya Thakara. My ID is 037 from School Management.
My name is Alisa. My student is 445 School of Management.
My name is Sushawadi Sisuk, 069 School of Health Science.
My name is Anusara Bunchua, 071 School of Science.
The first, why this topic important of the study? One, eating behavior has a direct impact on people's health through change in modern lifestyle such as fast food and convenient meals. Three, rising food price influence people's choice and attitude toward food. Four, studying eating behavior provide insight for promoting healthy diet. Objective and research question. Objectives. The goal of this study is to understand people eating habits and attitude toward food, identify factors that influence food choice, and provide useful insight for promoting healthier lifestyles. Main research question. 1. What are people's daily eating habits? 2. How do people choose their food and why? 3. How important is healthy eating to people? 4. What factors influence food choice, such as taste, price, convenience, or nutrition? 5. How do eating behavior reflect culture and lifestyle? Module 5 Data Visualization and Analysis Methods Quantitative Survey Research to use Google Form, Google Sheets, Google Data Studio.
This about the question, this graph and charts in my book.
Research topic and methodology. Methodology and visualization. Online survey with 7 key questions. Using Google Form. Data analyzed in Google Sheets. Data visualized with pie chart. Research for visualization. Make data easier to understand. Highlight pattern, trend, and comparison clearly. Engage the audience and support informed decision making.
This data studio with visualization as analytic. This supervisor put Peter to into question what kind cuisine do you like is the most and how often do you eat breakfast? Anything food that is popular with most people in Thai food is expensive. Uh, 0.4%. Most people only eat 2 and 3 breakfasts per week, and eating too much can lead to obesity, as breakfast is the most important meal need of the day. Most people only eat 2 and 3 breakfasts per week, and eating too much can lead to obesity, as breakfast is the most important meal of the day. SP3.67. This summer, this summary of all 4 modules. Module 1 data collection and module 2 data cleaning.
Module 3 Data Analysis. Module 4 Data Visualization. How many meals do you usually eat per day? Most students eat only 2 meals a day, which may not give enough energy. How often do you eat breakfast? Most students eat breakfast 2-3 times a week, which may affect focus and grade. Where do you usually buy food most often? Student per Student prefer fresh or made to order meal, but nu- nutrition may be low.
How much time do you usually spend eating a meal? More than half of respondents spend only 10 to 20 minutes eating a main meal, indicating large eating habit. Eating quickly may affect digestion and satiety, especially during period with a tight schedule, which is common among students balancing class and other activities. What type of cuisine do you like the most? Thai food is the most popular among respondents, reflecting cultural attachment and familiarity with Thai flavor despite the availability of international cuisine options. Thai cuisine remains the preferred choice for most students. How important is eating healthy food to you? More respondents consider healthy eating to be very important or quite important, showing awareness of health. However, actually eating behavior may still limit by time or cost constant, which can prevent students from consistently choosing healthy options. Which factor is more important when choosing food? Taste is a primary factor influencing respondent. For food choice, followed by price, this indicates that flavor remains the most important consideration. When select food, even through respondent acknowledge the importance of health to some extent. What do you think about food price nowadays? Most students feel that food prices today are quite expensive or too expensive. This perception may result from the rising cost of living, which limits access to quality food and reasonable price and can influence student eating habits.
Do you think food is too expensive or is reasonable? Why? About 27% food is expensive. Other side, reasonable. Student, student without income feel food is expensive. Other side fair if quality is good and price is active after that after anticipation and food choice. Thank you.